Hey, it's Stephen from Valued. One of the questions that we've been asked recently is how do we part allocate a payment or a receipt within Xero? You can see here on the screen we have a payment coming in from Ridgeway University. We've also got an outstanding invoice. Really simple. Press OK. That payment is matching that invoice. We've got exactly the same in terms of this purchase bill going out as well. But it's not always as simple as that. Sometimes there's a bit of a complication. So for example, here you can see with Smart Agency, we haven't got a payment that we can allocate it straight to, an invoice we can allocate it straight to. So in this example, what we need to do there is we need to click on Find a Match. We need to then search for Smart on there. Scroll down here and we can actually see two different invoices that this one payment is made up for. We click both of those, click OK, and that's it matched. Sometimes though, it's not even that simple and it's a part payment. So it's a payment which is towards an invoice. It's not the full payment. So with this one here for Swanson Security, what we do, exactly the same, find a match. We then search for Swanson on there, click go. That's then going to give us a couple of outstanding invoices. Now for this example, I'm going to say it's paying £60.55, sorry, off this £100 invoice. So we click the select button there, we go along to split, we click that split button and we say how much of this amount is paying off that invoice. We're going to allocate the full amount there. So we can say we've got an invoice for £100, £59.55 is the part payment, so there's an outstanding payment of £40.45. If we click split on that one, we can then OK that transaction. Hopefully that helped. Any other questions anybody's got, feel free to drop them in the comments below. Thank you. Bye bye.